Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ricardo Costa and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a transparent background in Adobe Photoshop. Making a background transparent in Photoshop is actually pretty easy. You have two ways of doing it. If you're running Adobe CC, you can go to File, New, and in this dialog window you can set your preset details. I will leave it like this. Here and then here on background contents you can select transparent by switching it between white to transparent and hit create. Now with your new document open you can see this checkerboard background, which means that your document is transparent. But let's do the other way because it's the most usual to happen, because usually we don't switch the background content to transparent because it's our standard. I'm going to close this canvas and create a new one. I'm going again to File, New, set height and width. Okay, I will leave it like this and check if my background content is back to white again and hit create. And this is my new document, which starts with a nice big white background, and that background is over here in our layers panel. But generally it's locked and you can do anything to it. If you try to move it or something, it will show this message that say convert to a normal layer. So we're gonna cancel and I'm going to show you how to unlock this. You can double click on your background layer, empty space here, and it will appear other dialog and you can actually name it. Or I'm going to apply cancel, or I can simply click on the lock icon over here that it does the same thing. And now that you have your normal layer, you think you can drag it to trash so that you'll have nothing from here and get your transparent background. But the thing is you can't, because there's no other layers in your document. So you will need to create a new layer first. By either creating your known layer, a text layer with your type tool, you can create a shape layer, or you can just hit a new layer over here and create a new blank empty layer. So I'm gonna do that, and now I have layer 1. And you can notice this checkered pattern, right? This means that's transparency. So this layer is completely transparent. Now I have this layer which is white, and if I delete it now, I have the checkered pattern on my background, which means I now have a transparent background. So anything that I create on top of this, if I grab the shape tool for example and draw a shape here, you will see it's transparent around it. Or if I go to my text tool and grab some text over here and write hello for example, you notice that this shape is opaque. You can see through that, but then everything in between, all of the areas where you see checkered pattern is transparent. Okay, now that you got your checkered pattern and other layers above it, you can now save it to a file which saves transparency. And save it as a format that will hold that transparency, so something like, like a PNG file will hold the transparency. A PDF file will also hold it. A JPEG file will not. So if you're trying to save it as a JPEG file, you won't have transparency on that. It will convert anything that's transparent to a white background. So you need to make sure you're saving it in a format file that accepts the transparency, and make sure that you've got the checkered background and you have no white background layer that's on your bottom layer. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, like this video, subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching.